Welcome back to Gas Diesel Garage, everyone. Today is Diesel Day, and I got a treat for you guys. I got a Ford 250 4x4 Powerstroke. I think it's time for a cold start. Let's get it on. Now you guys are probably wondering what I have this diesel in here for, and that is to do the front wheel bearings, because the wheel bearings on this vehicle have bad ABS sensors, and they're starting to make a little bit of noise, and he's having a little bit of problem trying to lock it into four-wheel drive, because this is a vacuum operated system that locks in the hubs. So we're just going to go ahead and replace both of them. As you can see, ABS sensors on. Let's see if it fixes it. Of course, the first thing to do is get the front end up, throw some jack stands under it, and take those big ass tires off, which is a pain in the ass, but we can get it done. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to get the caliper out of the way, and the easiest thing to do is just push the pads back just a little bit, and then you can hit those 21mm bracket bolts. Hit that one right there and the one down there, and you can just slide it out of the way, save a whole lot more time. Now you don't want this thing to hang, so make sure you just put it right there on the leaf spring. It will. Now, of course, make sure you disconnect your ABS sensor, which will be right there. Pick from the frame, pull that over like that, so it's not in your way. Now, I want to show you on the new one, holding this thing on is only 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you see, look back here behind the hub, you got that bolt right there. Now you see how close that is to the axle? So this is a quick disclaimer. I don't recommend using a chrome on an impact, but your 13/16 deep well, and it's got a thin wall, that'll be your best bet to take this thing off. 13/16 chrome siding, but I don't recommend using it, but it's going to get the job done. Okay, I forgot something. Get that 8mm that's holding the rest of the ABS sensor onto the hub. All right, now she's able to come on out peacefully. There we go. As you can see, the new one comes with the ABS sensor all squared away, even comes with the brackets. And next thing you got to do is got to put in your new bolts, and it's already got the thread tape, or I guess Loctite you can call it. So you got to feed those in, tighten those down. Make sure you tighten down your 8mm bolt here on the ABS sensor. You don't want this to get caught up in a rotor. You're having some problems, and then you'll be doing this all over again. Guess we're gonna zip tie that because the bracket's broke. Okay, in a nutshell, this side's completely done. Now the only thing to do is do the other side. I think it looks pretty good. And if you want to get yourself some cheap wheel bearings for this diesel, make sure you check out the link in the description below and get you tightened up. Well, that's a wrap for this episode of Gas Diesel Garage. If you enjoy this type of stuff, make sure you like and subscribe. And until next time, peace.